These societies are so sophisticated that workers are divided into different castes, each a task force in itself. But it's social cooperation and selfless devotion to the colony that makes ants so remarkable. Although each individual has its own job, the entire colony acts as one, responding to chemical messages passed from one to the other as if linked by an invisible nervous system. Ants are among the most successful animals alive today. They've thrived for millions of years, and they're here to stay on the planet of the ants.